Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm going to go through this fault code here. So you've got the glow plug control module short to ground. Now obviously your coil light will be on this at times, and your glow plugs, obviously this is a 4-cylinder engine, consists of 4 glow plugs, and then you have the modules as well. And what you need to do is check to see if the module itself has a short circuit, or sometimes when they pack in as well they do throw the same code. There you go, but you would check the wiring. If not, check the glow plug module and just take it from there and see what happens. But they do tend to knacker or pack. So yeah, I would definitely check the wiring, check the fuses as well, fuse board, to see if the glow plug, obviously you've got this fuse body and there's more to the car. This is VW 2-litre diesel. Now Audi, Skoda, VW, they're all same. This fault code is generic anyway, but that would be the recommendation: to check the wiring, check the fuse. If all good, the modules aren't expensive. They, at the very best, 100 quidish maybe would sort that glow plug and fault code out. You'll obviously get the engine light may come on, may not, but the coil light does come on as part of the whole process to alert you. Winter time is far worse. It'll crank and won't start sometimes. But that's what it is.